What's up, you guys? If this is your first time here, my name's Tim and this is Timo Paints. And in this video, I'm gonna discuss a topic and a question that I've been getting asked about more and more lately. And I get asked a lot, is it too late to start a solar panel cleaning business in 2021 or even 2022? But before we get into the video, I want to mention I'm doing a free giveaway for a solar panel cleaning business starter kit. And it comes with the water-fed pole, a pricing guide, and a one-on-one coaching call with me. So if you're interested in being entered into that competition, go ahead and check out that top link in the description below. And without further delay, let's get into the video. So solar panel cleaning is like the best kept secret in the service industry. A lot of service industry guys offer it as an upsell. And I've noticed that it's been quickly growing in popularity. And in my area, we were the only guys that could handle the demand. There was a lot of wildfires recently. And I realized that we were able to crush it, and we could handle the demand, and a lot of the other guys weren't able to keep up, and that quickly put us out in front of the pack, because a lot of new guys were popping up, and I realized that with the right marketing strategy, we could be like the go-to solar panel cleaning guys in our area and surrounding areas. And these other guys that were starting out, they were missing some key elements in advertising, and I quickly noticed what they were missing, and then I filled the gap. And that gap was holding them back from landing thousands of dollars worth of revenue. And it's a simple fix. I figured it out, and now I'm gladly picking up those missed thousands of dollars that they weren't able to grab, because it's one key element that they were overlooking. But I figured it out, and I became the leading company in my area and my surrounding areas, and we've had insane conversions with our marketing strategy and a massive word of mouth referral base too, which is crazy. The first month we started, we made 10K. And on average, we were only working about 20 hours per week. And for me, that was about half the amount of hours that I was working. And it was about the same amount of money that I was making with my painting business. So, I was missing out on a lot of stuff and a lot of family time. And now with the solar panel cleaning business, I'm home more and I'm actually making more money, which is amazing. So I've noticed a lot of guys that are trying to break into the service area. And I think it's great because, to be honest, with the right knowledge, you can make a ton of money, and the right marketing, you can make even more than a ton of money. And there's so many solar panels right now, and there's going to be more and more. Every single day there's more, because California just passed a bill that every house sold in 2023 has to have panels. So let me say it again so it sinks in. Every single house that's sold in 2023 will have to have panels. So if you own a house that was built in 1954 and you're thinking about selling, well, the house will have to have solar panels on it to be sold. And that's great. More solar panels on houses, more solar panels that need to be cleaned. You just got to figure out how to get your business out in front of those people that want their solar panels cleaned. So there really is no competition for guys like us who know how to do what the competition wasn't doing. And that's the beauty, because it'll never be too late to start a solar panel cleaning business, because there's so many solar panels out there. And so basically the short answer will be no, it's never too late. But the best time is right now, because even though it is a best kept secret, it won't stay that way forever, just like any secret. And so you need to start building a good client base. And the cherry on top is the client base is a recurring client base. They recommend that solar panels be cleaned once to twice a year. Depending on the region, it could be even more than that. So if you'd like to learn what I did to fill the gap and pull out in front of the competition, and I use the competition loosely, check out the top link in the description and the pinned comment. And I'm going to be doing a giveaway for a solar panel cleaning business starter kit. And again, it comes with one water-fed pole, a coaching call with me, my pricing guide, and script for new leads. So if you want to be entered into that, check the top link in the description below. And as some of you know, every video we do have a word of the day towards the end of the video, and the word of the day is competition. So if you made it this far, comment the word competition and I'll hashtag you a real one. If you found any value, hit the like button for me, subscribe for more, and remember, always be closing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.